All right.
Hi, I'm Yasmin. I go to Evergreen Valley High School and I'm a rising senior and I worked on the gesture control car. And I chose a gesture control car because in my robotics team, my expertise lies mostly in mechanical, so the sensor work and the coding was a little more out of my comfort zone, so I really wanted to try that. The gesture control car that I built uses an accelerometer and an ESP32 to send values to the ESP32 on the car. And the motor driver works by using a low current control signal, which powers the control circuit, and turns it into a high current signal. These low and high current signals are used to control the direction of the robot. So, for example, to turn left, one set of motors goes backwards while the other set of motors goes forwards. So I'm just gonna show a quick demo video of my car. So let me just. Okay, so here it is. So you might notice that the two motors on the left are stalling. That's because I guess like the wheels don't have that great traction. So um, when one side tries to push, the other kind of stalls. But it still turns left and right, so I'll take that. Here, let me just stop sharing. All right. And then I guess like one of the biggest challenges I had when working on the car was to get the ESP32 to communicate with the accelerometer. I came in with no knowledge on how the ESP32s worked, and I had to refer to like multiple different sites and try to piece together information from each one. And sometimes errors in my code were just like a wrong letter or the wrong order, so I had to like research and like really be diligent to get the code to work. One of the biggest lessons I learned building on top of that was to just be patient and take a break when there's a bug in the code. Multiple times throughout the project, I learned that like looking at the code with a fresh pair of eyes would really help kind of identify the problem. So, any questions, I guess?
Awesome. Great job, Yasmin. That was great. What part did you like more? Did you like the building, like the with the motors more? Did you like the coding with the ESP32, like using the accelerometer? What was your favorite part? What do you think?
I think my favorite part was I think I like felt the most rewarding when I was like moving the accelerometer and like my car was also moving with it. So I don't know. I just thought it was cool that I was able to get the sensor
Yeah,
values to like drive my car.
yeah, it's super cool. Like seeing it all come together at the end, like all the different components working together. Awesome job, Yasmin. Guess I'm gonna introduce the next person.